Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about PRA syllabus and also I'm going to solve the PRA coding questions in detail with proper explanation. So this video is going to be very informative and helpful for you. So watch this video till the end. So let's get started. So let's start with the SQL code. The first question is maximum order amount. Most of the time in the examination, they will going to ask two SQL questions. The first one is easy and second one is kind of based on chance. So their pattern is like that only. What is the problem statement of that? Display the maximum order amount placed by the customer whose order number greater than 100. Like basically, you have to find out the amount, like maximum amount for those customers whose order number is greater than 100. First condition is maximum order amount. Okay. Second condition is order number greater than 100. So only two condition is there. So if you want to get the maximum order amount, from which table we will get? We'll get from order table, not from customer table. Yeah, we are finding out basically customer order amount, but that order amount is stored in the order table, not in customer table. Okay. So solution is like that. Select max of what order amount. Okay, from order, like order table is there where order number is greater than 100. Okay, that's it. Let's see the second question. Second question is detail of the honor. We have to basically find out detail of the honor. So what is the problem statement over here? Display the honor name. Basically we have to display honor name and count of vehicle. Okay, for that honor ordered in the descending order by the count of the vehicle. All right. So basically, we have to display honor name with count of vehicle. Two things we have to display. We have to display like in the descending order of the count of vehicles. Let's suppose there are three honors. First honor have 12 vehicle. Second honor have 9 vehicle. Third honor have 10 vehicle. So it would be like 12, 10, 9 like that. You have to display in the descending order. So like honor name are stored in honor table, or we can say customer, any table like that. Vehicle are stored in vehicle table. Okay, so there are two tables. We have to basically extract data from two tables. So of course join is required over here. Without join we can't able to do this. So let's see how to solve. What we have to display honor name. So first select. So there are two tables. We have to make instance for that. O, let's honor table like O instance. O dot honor name. ON, I'm representing like that. Then we have to display count of vehicle. Okay, count of what vehicle. So v dot vehicle id, let's suppose, like let's suppose honor have 10 vehicles, so all 10 vehicle have different ids. So I'm directly extracting like vehicle ids count, so it will give all the vehicle count. Okay, you can display as like vehicle count or v count. Okay, from honor table O instance I have made. Okay, I'm doing left join over here. Left join vehicle V. So basically left join is what, if we have left join, all the data from left table will come like that. On O dot honor ID, like one column is there whose name is honor ID in the honor table, and one column is there whose name is reference ID in vehicle table. Both are same. So based on that, I'm joining. Okay. on O dot vehicle owner ID equal to V dot reference ID group by O dot owner ID. I also have to group every owners, okay, like that, so that I can show particular owner. So space is not left over here, so I will like write over here order by vehicle count descending order, like that. So this is the query of second. So there are another set of questions available, but all are based on same pattern. So I don't think so there is need to explain those question also. So let's see the Unix question. What is the question? Student marks of subjects. What is the problem statement over here? Display the student whose sum of all subjects marks is greater than 300. Like basically, you have to display those student who scored more than 300, including all subjects. And you have to solve this using Unix. How can you solve? So let's suppose the three students are John, Elise, Bob, and marks of all are like 90, 80, 100, 95, 95, 110, 70, 70, 70, like that. So this data will be going to be stored in txt file, and this is the row 1, this is the row 2, and this is the row 3. So what you will write is Unix, we have to write bash, then we have to write awk. Awk is basically command to read the txt file line by line. So after awk I am in the first line, okay. So I will be like sum equal to, this is to represent the column 2 plus column 3 plus column 4, okay. So in $2 first it will take 90, in $3 then it will take 80, in $4 it will take 100. After summation we have to check if sum is greater than 300. Yes, sum is greater than 300. So we have to print $1, like this is the first, as and sum, like that. And we are reading data from like marks.txt, so we have to like write that also. So this is basically the code for this problem statement. So first the answer, it will print like Alice has 300 marks, other don't have 300 marks, okay. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. In the part 2 I will put the Java PRA questions. So this is basically the part 1. If this video is really informative for you, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here, signing off.